How to fix Battlefield 6 packet loss error. So if you want to fix your Battlefield 6 packet loss error, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for command prompt, right click on it, and then go with run as administrator. Or just simply click on run as administrator and click on yes. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to enter a command, which is ipconfig space / flush DNS. After that, hit enter. And this will remove the cache, like DNS cache and any stored network data that could have been causing issues. So press enter and wait for it to complete. Now, second method is to go to your computer's search bar again and search for network reset. Now click on reset now, which is right here. This will reinstall your network. Third method is finally click on your internet icon, which will be on the bottom right corner of your screen, and choose the option of diagnose network settings. Or you can just simply right click on it and then you will find the option of troubleshoot. A window will appear. Click on run network test to check if your connection is working properly. That's it. These were the few steps, and if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.